Welcome back. Welcome back. I need to talk about something. So, yesterday I was enjoying my beer, I was just scrolling through Twitter, and the first thing that popped up was this. And I know it's not related. But it's kind of funny. I was enjoying my beer, and this. If you want to stop the video and read it, if you don't know who this is, she's a very popular female streamer, and she's want to make a collaboration with a beer company to make beer of her, I mean, I like female body parts, not like in the weird way, but I like, but I also like beer. And I know sometimes you take two things which are good and put them together and make something even more magnificent of it. No, that's not the case right here. So okay, but I was like, I've seen worse. This is like, okay, maybe it's a meme idea, or maybe they will actually do it. I don't care. So I scrolled even further because I'm too dumb to learn from my mistakes and put down my phone and actually enjoy my beer. And I stumbled upon this. And that's nothing about it's just code, right? But when my eye spots SQL, and yeah, that's SQL, it's not SQL. It's not SQL. In HTML, it kind of triggers me. It's something you stop scrolling and you must take a look. What's this? What's happening? And I was like, okay, this can be real. This is probably some meme, right? And I had to look it up, and it's real. Here's the video. It's like a React component to bookmark something. It's a button. It doesn't matter. But okay, so it makes a call to bookmark something, right? So the slug, where's the slug? Here, this. So it makes an asynchronous call to bookmark something, and they decided that okay,
server, and that means instead of calling an API endpoint, we can replace this with the code that was in our API.
No, you can't. You wouldn't steal a car, man. You just, no, don't do this. I'm sorry. It's not because it's like dangerous or whatever. It's not about that, because people were started memeing about this because SQL injections or whatever. It's not about that. They clearly thought about that. You don't worry about that. It's a different topic. It's like everything is in here. You have server, you have client, you have database. What else can you put in one page? And it triggered me in a way that I remembered my old code, and I still have some of it in production. It's not about it's working, it's secure, it's safe. It's not about that, but it's ugly. This is ugly as f***. It's really ugly. Why would you do this? Why would you? We spent the previous 20-something years to make clear abstractions between server and client. And I get it. You want to merge them back together in some way that makes sense. And it kind of does. And I kind of understand the use case. But why would you? Why would you put SQL in there, man? I don't know. Please don't do this. No. The code which you had, this was perfectly fine. I don't mind this. There's JavaScript, there's HTML, they go well together. This is basically JavaScript, but it's like JSX. It's fine. It's okay. There's no problem with this. But this one's kind of blew my mind, and I was like, what other people think about it? And everyone was like, yo, what's happening? This is what we are trying to distance ourselves. And again, it's not about the security risks. There is probably none. The problem is that this is ugly. This is not how you should code. But that's only my opinion. Maybe a couple hundred other people. I don't like the way of this. It's okay. So I scrolled even further, of course, to find if some people made even memes of it, and I kind of like it. You can they think that in 2024 you can use electronics, and I love it. I kind of love it. And in 2029, of course you can do binary. Why not? See, but that's the joke, that some parts of some abstractions shouldn't be just avoided. You know, that using maybe SQL within HTML, within JavaScript, it's probably like, no. I know it's not there. It's probably not on the front end. It's not about that. But it's just like seeing the code together, all these components. It's like, no, I'm sorry. And I kind of pulled up an old code which I found on Stack Overflow. So take a look at this. This is what we hated. So this is a classic PHP. We have a database and we do a query right here, right? We fetch the results and we just go ahead and just put everything out. This is how we did it, and it's not good. It's not good because you have the same file for query, the same file for output, the same file for everything, and it's not good. And even the many times even JavaScript was put in, so everything was in it, and it's the same thing for me. Okay, this is much, where is it? This looks like much cleaner, but it's the same thing. Everything is in here, and I don't like it. There's no separation. There's no more separation, and I like that more when things on the server side and the client side were actually separated, because I think that makes on the long term much cleaner code. But you do what you got to do. Maybe there are some use cases. I'm not going to judge anyone about this. I'm not familiar with React and Next, so I'm not going to judge. But I mean, you know, please don't do this, okay? I kind of don't want you to do this. All right? Yeah. See, so I think this is this is all I wanted to say. Oh my God. So keep the memes rolling, dudes. Okay, this is not enough. I need more. I need more. Where's the rest of them? Where's more? I need more. But okay. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I see you in the next one. And until then, leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.